Hi everyone! It's nice to see you again. In our last video, I let you have a tour of my house and learn a lot of words. And I also promised to show you around my neighborhood. Didn't I? So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! This is the playground. This is the park. This is the school. This is the police station. This is the hospital. This is the market. This is the bus stop. This is the bank. This is the post office. This is the railway station. This is the restaurant. This is the library. This is the fire station. That is the church. This is the shopping mall. This is the bakery. This is the gym. That was fun! I hope you enjoyed our quick tour and learned so much today. Thank you and see you again next video. Have a good one!